Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you all of the jewelry that I made for the Dollar Bead Box for April of 2025. I have 5 videos this month. I can't believe that. I made 4 pairs of earrings and 1 butterfly pendant necklace. I had so much fun working with this box this month. These beads were off the charts. The greens, oh my gosh, and the coppers, oh, they were just absolutely stunning. So if you're not familiar with Dollar Bead Box, it is $19.50 a month. I have a coupon code Bead Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link to their website below as well as the coupon code. And then I also get the Dollar Bead Bag, which is $8 a month, and you get 8 strands of fire polished beads. You get 4 4mm beads and 4 strands of 3mm beads. And that's what I use to make most of this jewelry. If you order it every month with your Dollar Bead Box, it's $8 a month. If you order it on its own just one time, it's $10. Either way, it's a great price. You know, if you're looking to build your stash of beads, this is a great way to do it. But I love getting it every month. I use them every month. I use them up, and then I use them with other bead boxes, and you know. So yeah. So let's get to it. So this is the first tutorial. I made these earrings. I was out of focus a couple times when I was sewing them, but I ended up getting back in, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so I will leave links below to all of these as well, all of these tutorials as well. These were gorgeous. Look at these fire polish beads. Look at how beautiful they are. My gosh. And then these copper. I had so much fun. This starts out as just a circle, and then I add on both ends, and that's how it ends up getting to that oval teardrop shape. But these were just so pretty. I mean, and the seed beads, they gave us this little thing of seed beads. And so had a lot of fun with these too. So we have those. And then this was the second tutorial. I made this choker necklace with the butterfly pendant and then the dragonfly. So I combined it. And then I added some of my own 11-0 bright yellow Miyuki seed beads. I did have more of a muted color, but I wanted them to stand out more. So look at the yellow with the copper and the green like that. It looks so pretty. And then I added the shell beads they gave us. I added a little section of those. And then I went, these are all the fire polish beads that they give you each month. So I have a tutorial for this as well. So this was so pretty. Loved this. And then I think the third one was this. And again, these are the fire polish beads. These were so much fun to make as well. And then I used those big ones and a few of the seed beads. And then I did use my own copper ear wires. So I have these. And then for the fourth one, let me pick these up. I made these using those little Saturn beads that they had, and then this big bead at the bottom. And this started out as a circle too, and then I just kind of intertwined it to bring it together. So this was so much fun. These are so pretty. And then last but not least, this is the last tutorial that I put up. And I started out with a circle, and then I ended up, after I made the whole earring, I ended up intertwining the seed beads and the green druck beads between the other green druck beads to come up with that. And then again, my own copper ear wires. So I had an absolute blast. I mean, look at all these, look at all the jewelry that I made. I mean, and I still have strands of beads that I haven't touched and a couple bags of beads that I have not touched. So you cannot beat this. This is a great deal. And they always try and do some sort of a blend. And then they'll give you a couple, just like once in a while, they'll give you just a couple odd beads that you can throw in your stash. If you don't use them this month, you'll use them for something else, because you always end up using their beads. So it's great. You get something different. Yes, I loved these beads. I loved all the jewelry I ended up making. I was so happy with everything. I was very creative this month. I think my new bead room is keeping me energized now. I will be doing a show and tell with probably going to be another month. I'm trying to add my office in here too. So I still have to get another filing cabinet and a couple other things, but eventually I will have everything in here and I will take you guys through everything. So just be patient with me. It will happen. So, yeah, like I said, I will leave the coupon code BNJewelry2 to Dollar Bead Box below. And I will leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook below as well. I do sell most of my jewelry on Etsy if you're interested. The link is there. And I hope you enjoyed this show and tell with all my finished jewelry for Dollar Bead Box for April of 2025. And I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love reading what you guys have to say. So I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.